Day Tent Talks. My name is Heather Frank and I'm one of the sales reps here at Fred's Tents. Basically today I'm taking the reins and I'm going to talk to you guys about a different product that we have. It's called the Maple Leaf, but really what I wanted to talk about is this bag that goes along with the Maple Leaf. So real quick, our Maple Leaf is a cross cable high peak tent. It's a 2.5-inch frame. The great thing about the Maple Leaf is that its longest piece is 9 feet 3 inches. So what that means for you guys, you can throw it in the back of your pickup truck or in the back of your van and transport it a lot easier. What we've done for you is created this bag. So if whether you're putting up a 10 by 10 or 15 by 15, 20 by 20, you have a bag here that's going to allow you to put all of your pipe in it. Essentially, it has 3 straps that go around it. It'll allow you to tighten it up. It's a double O-ring or a Boy Scout belt. So you can go ahead and tighten it up in the 3 different areas. And then on the ends, each end you have a loop. So you and your partner, or feeling strong yourself, you can pick it up and throw it in the back of your truck and get to the job site. So basically this bag is made out of a mesh and it's $55 and we have them in stock. So if this is something you're interested in, or the Maple Leaf, give us a shout. We'd love to get these into your hands. So reach out to us at ttt@wemaketents.com and we look forward to your feedback. Have a great day.